Good morning, Shimmy Shaker. I've got a really beautiful isolations workout for us today. So if you are feeling a little bit stiff, a little bit sleepy in the morning, this is a perfect one for you to do to get your body moving, to get yourself energized, and to feel great for the whole entire day, starting from now. Let's go. So starting off, keeping our feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up, hands on the border and table. We're just coming into a nice little release through our hips. So warming up. The way I'm doing this is I'm just bending one knee and then straightening it as I push my hips out. So bend and straight, bend and straight. Nice and soft. Yes, that's it. So as we're doing this, we're trying to keep our chest up nice and tall. And if you think of this as the belly dance move, this is considered our hip slides, but it's a really, really nice one just to get that lower back moving, get energy into that area, especially first thing in the morning. Okay, we're gonna sharpen it up. This time, we're bending the knee and then straightening quick. Bend and straight, bend and straight. That's it. Stay with me. You can do a nice little lift and lower of the arms. And coming back in, we're going for doubles. We're going 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, center 2, back center 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're waking up that brain as well. Good. And back to singles. Nice job. Feeling awake and warmed up already? Good work. Okay, this time we're bringing our hips forward and back. So we're squeezing through here and here to bring them forward, releasing to bring them back, forward, back, back. So this isn't really an accent we do in our performances. It's a really nice one to loosen up through the hips and really engage through your core, especially first thing in the morning. Nice. Let's bring it into a square. We're coming forward to the side like our flick, back, and other side. Forward, side, back, side. My feet are flat on the floor the whole time. Forward, side, back, side, squeeze, flick, squeeze, and flick. Good. So if you feel up to it, you can start to work a little faster. Otherwise, just go as slow as you need. And waking up the other way. That's it. Keep going. Great. Keep your arms nice and long. Nice. Okay, and this time we're smoothing it out, coming into little circles, really loosening up all through those hips, waking up through your lower back as well. Another way. Good, good, good. Keeping your posture tall. Posture is really important for our oscillations. If you stand up tall, we're going to be able to move a lot easier. If you imagine if you're sinking into it, it's really hard to get that movement. Beautiful. Okay, coming into our chest. We're bringing one side and other side, one side, then other side. So I know this one can seem hard at first. You want to try and keep your hips still and just move through your torso, side to side. That's it. And as you're doing it, you want to keep your chest facing to the front. So it's not a twist, it's side to side. Oh, it feels good. It feels so good to move these muscles. If it feels okay, bring your hands in front. That's it. Okay, next one we're coming forward and back. So forward, back, back. So if you imagine something's tied to your bra, you try and pull it forward and then back to neutral. Forward, back. So we're using our core with this one, but we're focusing on the forward, and the movement comes from here, from that rib cage, forward and back. So it's not up and down, it's forward and back for this one. So if you have a mirror, check yourself out in the mirror. You want to try and come forward, back. Let's go a little faster. Again, you can bring your hands out. It feels okay. It's always hard to talk doing this one. Really good practice for your undulations, especially if you find the first part of your undulation difficult, or if you've got really stiff shoulders, this is a nice one to do. Okay, shake it out. Next one we're doing is bringing our chest up and down. So coming up and drop, up and drop. And this is a little bit different to the forward and back one. You imagine the cord is still tied, but you're coming up. So when I think of this one, I think of elongating through here and drop. Elongate, drop. Elongate, drop. Nice and smooth. Again, hard to talk with this one. Yeah, you're doing really well. A little bit faster. Really pulling in through here. Nice core workout as well. And shake it out. Okay, we're bringing it together now. We're coming to the sides for 4, 3, 2, then forward and back. 4, 3, 2, keep the shoulders relaxed and up. 4, 3, 2, side to side. 4, 3, 2, forward and back. 4, 3, 2, up and down. 4, 3, 2, side to side. 4, 3, 2, forward and back. 4, 3, 2, side to side. Oh, sorry, up and down. 3, 2, and shake it out. Nice work. So if you got them, well done. It's hard to get the differentiation between all the different moves, but if you're able to feel the difference between the side to side, forward and back, up and down, you're doing really well. Let's break it down. This time we've got 2 each side. So 1, 2, forward, forward, up, up, side. 1, 2, forward, forward, up, up, side, side, forward, forward, up, down, side to side, forward and back, up. One more set, side to side, forward and back, up and down. Yeah, nice work, shake it out. Okay, one more combo, and that is bringing it all together, but just for 1 each time. So we're coming side, side, forward, back, up, down. Come with me, side, side, forward, back, up, down. I know it's always hard for me to talk in the morning. Sometimes it's easier to dance than it is to talk. Does anyone else feel like that? Let me know in the comments. Keeping your body nice and tall, keeping those isolations in the direction you're trying to go. That's it. Oh, this one there. Side, side, forward, back, up, down. Side, side, forward, back, up, down. Side, side, forward, back, up, down. One more. Side, side, forward, back, up and down. And just give yourself a little shake out, reaching through. A nice big open stretch. And there you go, that is our little good morning energizing isolations warm up. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments, how do you feel afterwards.